In this video, we are going to see how we can design the customized outfit for our avatar in Roblox. So whether you want to create it for your own self or whether you want to save it, we are going to see how we can create one. I'm going to show you the sample of how you can create a shirt, and then you can follow the same for creating a pant. So here's how you do it. First of all, what we do is just head over to Google and we just search for Roblox shirt template. So whatever it is, if you want to design a shirt or a pant, you go to basically classic clothing. Click on that. And once you do that, all you have to do is just scroll down a little bit. As you can see, the types of clothing we can create in Roblox is t-shirts, shirts, and pants. So here is the template for every single one of them. If you want to design the shirt, here's the template for shirt, here's the template for pants. So you can define it like this. So it is showing the pattern as well. Let's say we want him to wear jeans or whatever, you can create it like this. So we just right click on this, click on save image as, and this is basically a template of the shirts. Now we will use a very simple tool to create one. We'll open Canva, sign in with your ID, and the tools we need is all available within the Canva free version, so you don't have to buy any subscription for it. So what we do is we basically click on create and directly go to upload from here. After that, we go to the location where our template is and we basically open up that template. So we click on edit image from here, click on create design. And as you can see, the front will appear like this. This is all front. And this is the left hand side. This is the right hand side. It basically indicates all in the avatar. So let's say we want him to wear the upskill shirt on the front and rest should be all jeans kind of style. So what we'll do is we'll go to elements and right here jeans. And in the photos, we will select any jeans that is available for free. So we'll use this template. Let's say we'll resize this and put it exactly in the same area. Make sure it is all filled within the shape. And then if you want to make a copy of it, we will hold the alternate key and just move that shape and it will immediately create a copy for you. We'll resize it from here as well, just like so. Make sure that it fills in the space and nothing extra. On the top as well, we want this shape, so we will place it here. Actually, we can place it like this from top to bottom, or otherwise we can reshape like this. Now on the front, we want the upskill logo. So what we'll do is we'll upload this here. If you're using the pro version, you can also remove the background. But otherwise what you can do is just take the support of ChatGPT here. We upload the logo, make the background white because the costume will look very nice when the shirt is white. So here it is, we download it. And I'll also show you a smart way of doing this. We can make it directly from ChatGPT as well. Click on download. So upskill logo white, and let's actually upload the new one, that is this. So we will upload it, resize it like this, create the shape at the bottom as well. And for the other side, let's say, actually let's choose the same. So let's create the copy. We'll resize it like this. Okay, so now we will make a copy of it just by holding the alternate key. We place it like this, and for the other shape we will take the sample from here, just resize this according to the shape, and we drag it over to the bottom. Now obviously it is not a very large size of the picture, so that's why when I'm expanding this, it just shows a little different. So either what you can do is we can drag it like this and then resize it. Yes, it's much better. So we'll just quickly create this just for the demonstration purpose on how you can do it manually. I'll also show you how we can do it directly from ChatGPT as well. So once that is created, we'll click on share and we will download it, and make sure to save it as a PNG. Click on download and we'll write here jeans shirt costume. So once we are done with this, we will head over to Roblox, sign in with your ID, and once you do, you click on create at the top. We'll head over to the creations, and from here we click on avatar items. Now under here we will go to the classics, choose classic shirts, and we will basically upload the asset. So here's asset configuration. We'll upload the picture, that is this one, jeans shirt costume. We'll paste the same as description and upload it to Roblox, but just remember that it will cost us 10 Robux. So make sure you have this credit available, otherwise you have to buy it. Click on upload, and as soon as we upload, you will notice that everything disappears from here. So don't be confused. You click on the creations again, you click on avatar items, and you go to the classics again. From here, when we choose classic shirts, you will see your template down here. So it will take some time to upload. And as we can see, our costume is now created. Now, if you want to put it on sale, that let's say you want to sell this costume, you open this up, you put it on sale, and you can define the prices here and publish it afterwards. But if you want to use it for ourselves, how do we wear this costume? Because as we can see, if we click on our profile, this is the earlier costume I was wearing. I want to change it. So click on edit avatar from here. And you also get this option down on the left. So you choose that and you basically choose the jeans shirt costume. So you only have to do this. After that, you head over to your profile and there you go. This is my new costume.